How do you pay taxes owed in TurboTax? So first you gotta go to turbotax.com and sign in to your account. And then you should go to the file section and start a payment or pay now when you prompted about the tax owed. And if you don't see that option, you can expand the tools from the left panel here and then click on tools. Now click on topic search, and in the search bar you want to type payments. So you can type payments here and then select payments on taxes and click on go. And this should list all the payments for you. Otherwise, you can click on the file section under your taxes for the specified year, and then go through this process to complete the return. And then you will need to choose a payment method such as a bank transfer or credit card, and enter your payment details and choose the date you want the payment to be sent, and then just confirm and submit. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.